So I just want to give y'all a little pointer. When you're doing a DIY project or any type of art, don't overthink it. Just use what you got and make it work. Do your stripes all the way across, and then you actually got to create that design. You got to make that right. But figure out how thick you want your lines to be, and you just make your marks. Where the white's gonna be is just as thick as the black, where the black is gonna be. But because I wanted to make sure I can lay the paint down all the way throughout the black, I just double layered the tape within the white. So when I pull, once I paint the black down, I'll pull the tape up and then lay the tape down within the black, and then it'll leave the white fully exposed to do the little white part next.
The first layer of the second wall. It looks good, baby. She did it all.
Good job, Ladybug.
It's just to help.
Just to help.
We're going to take the tape down to start the second cover.
So we gotta pull the tape up and then put it back down within the black so we can do the white.
So, after you do the first layer, you have to do what?
You gotta lay the tape back down within the black now so we can paint the white.
But in the end, it's gonna be worth it.
See how I'm leaving a little bit of the black edge? That way when I hit it with that white, it's gonna make it crisp. So that's wall number 2.
Looks good, baby.
I gotta get that little gold in a couple white spots. And the finishing face.